Hello everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. My name is Abdullah Nahian, and in this tutorial we learn how to make a awesome and attractive interior website using WordPress and Elementor. So in this tutorial we use premium theme, so I will provide theme later by link. So first check our preview part. So this is our home page. So first we have a top section with like email, phone number and social icon. Then we have a header part, logo, menu and a search icon. So you can hear from search here. Okay. Then we have slider part. Slider we have a subtitle, title and few description and a button part. Then slide will be here. You can change or automatically change here. Okay, fine. Then we have a about a section, like at the left side we have a image part and few text, description and a button and this design part. Then we have a what we do part. So we have a 6 box like architecture, planning, exterior, decoration, interior planning, style selection, and you can select page by clicking read more. Then we have a all projects part. So you have use a isotope filter plugin. So construction, so you can change here, like here decoration, outdoor, construction here, and this is our single page. Click here, image will be pop up and show big. If you click here, it show in details page. So this is basically our details page show here. Okay, like project date, client name, project type, location and description, and also similar project you can show here. Okay, again back to our home page, and then we have our team member, like there is team member, their name, designation and social icon. So if you click on their name, so it show their details, team details part. So like this man, like his name is team details and 15 years experience, and progress bar with their features like architecture, construction, interior and experience part. Okay, so this is our team with team single page. And then we have there is a lot more, of course, services part. So here is 6 services with their read more button and numbering. Then we have a blog part section, counter up section, testimonial with slider, and finally we have a footer part. Now our next part will be about page. So this will be our about page part, and here our section what we do part, like interior design, architecture, floor plan, etc. Maybe some problem here. Okay, no problem. And there is our few description here, our expert team, testimonials, and this is our footer part. Then we have a services page, services listing all services, and about counter up services, and finally footer part. Then we have a team page. So here is 6 team members and final footer. Projects page. This is our grid 4 columns, and here you can change here branding or bathroom, everything you can change here. And finally footer part. Here we have a shop page. Basically this is for e-commerce part. So if you want to buy or sell any product, you can just decorate it here and change from backend. And then our blog page. So this is our blog list part. So blog video, or here title, few paragraph description here and the right sidebar, and next page 1-2 page. Then we have a FAQ page. This is our frequently asked question, how we work, and answer question. This is our accordion part, and finally footer part. And last option we have a footer section, sorry, contact space. And here is, let's say, form part, and right side info, phone number, email address, etc. and map part. So this is our project overview. So hopefully you like this. So now we need to start work. So for start work, I already installed free WordPress in my local host, and full free dashboard, nothing else added yet. So first go to appearance and then themes, and from add new part I have this premium theme. So click on upload, then browse. So from here folder, then folder insert shape version 2.1, then theme, and upload this main theme. Okay, click on install now, then click on activate. Okay, so first we need to begin installing plugins. So click here. So we need to click install all these plugins. So first I click advanced custom fields pro. So this part take a few times depend on internet speed and others part. So we can install one by one. Okay, this install successfully. Then our next plugin, easy Google Fonts. So click on install, and this package download from WooCommerce version. Okay, successfully installed. Then again back. Then Elementor version, Elementor page builder. Okay, this is the installing plugin, and then successfully installed. Back plugin install done. Then we have Grid Valley code. Again click this plugin. Okay, this is our premium plugin. Plugin installed successfully. Return to our plugin dashboard. Then we have Revolution slider. Click on Revolution slider part. Download from this site. And in this time we can open this part, new tab. We can install Control 7 part. Okay, install successfully. Return. Then we have WooCommerce part. Click on WooCommerce. It take maybe sometimes. Okay, waiting for some time. Our WooCommerce part. Okay, unpacking the package. We can remove this part from now. Install the plugin, successfully installed. Okay, return plugin installer, and then we have Unison install. Okay, downloading, unpacking. Okay, successfully installed, and return to plugins folder. So finally we have one plugin, install Revolution slider. This is for external slider. Okay, we can wait few minutes. So plugin installed successfully. Return to plugin dashboard. So all plugin installed done. So click on this icon and plug option to activate. Click on apply. So all plugin will be activated all in one at once. Okay, as a few plugin, it takes few times. Okay, so no plugin to install, update it. Okay, return to dashboard. So we already installed all plugins successfully. Okay, this Elementor few options, we can just cross this part. Okay, and install this extension. Okay, download the backup and demo content. Okay, that's fine. If you check our busy site part, so this is for now this part. Okay, so from all plugin installed done, everything necessary things. So go to appearance to our user tools, demo content install. So we chose our Intershape demo 2 home. Okay, so click on install part, then click on OK. So it takes few minutes normally. So it installing our demo data. So we can just like our preview part. So we have to don't remember one this, just never close this bar. We have to patient and wait, otherwise it not works. So download 3 MB for total 12 MB will be downloaded. Okay, 6 MB done. If you check what something happened here, not yet. Okay, 9 MB done. Okay, almost done we have. So downloading finished. Doing unzip. Okay, data, and then they have restored our database part. Okay, fine. And in this time, if you check our left side, we have few menu added. So we will check one by one in detail. So don't worry about this. It is very nice theme and easy to install use. Okay, done. So our demo part done. If you check here, so it is loaded our front page. So just check here, our all part is perfectly done. Maybe few images missing, it's no problem. We can install add later, it's no problem here. So go to our dashboard part. Because first we need to adjust our menu part, or you don't use this menu. Okay, so first go to our appearance and menus. Okay, no thanks. Then we can just cross this part and cross. Okay, so from main menu we can remove this part, home 2, we use home 1, remove this custom part, and we can rename this part just home. Okay, we have to just change this part to just home text. Okay, home. Then about us, we remove just custom link, we use this part, so just right here about us. Okay, fine. Remove about to, we don't need this. Pages, we remove this menu. Services, okay, we remove this custom link. Service listing, rename to services. Okay, fine. We don't need service details in menu. Then custom link team, we can remove this part. We use team 1, so just right here like teams. Okay, fine. Remove team 2, and then team detail we don't need in menu part. Fonts icon remove here. Error 404 remove. Project custom link we can remove from here. We can project grid type, we can remove this part. Basically with 4 columns, so just right here projects. Okay, so we can remove this menu, then this menu. Okay, projects done. 4 column no cutter we don't need. 5 columns remove this part. 5 column no cutter remove this part. Project carousel don't need. Project detail, okay, we don't need in menu part. And shop remove part, detail 1 done, detail 2 done. And shop, it's okay, perfect. From blog we remove this custom part, so we need a blog list, so just remove this part, rename blog list to blogs. Okay, fine. And blog post we can remove from here. Image post remove. Then no image post, it's also remove. Slider post remove. Post with sidebar remove. YouTube video post remove here. Vimeo we can remove. Then FAQ we can remove. Sorry, we need FAQ. Okay, so from here we can search here FAQ. This page, yes. Okay, rename this part to FAQ. So we have all done. Just click on save menu and refresh the page. Okay, fine. So we done our menu part, done. That's fine. Now we go to our settings part, settings to general. So we can change here our website name, title, etc. here. Then we go to reading part. So home 3 is basically our home page. Okay, that's fine. And here check permalinks, post name, that's fine. So we need to change one by one. So first we need global changes. So go to theme options. So logo settings. So if you want to change this logo, so you can first go to click on logo settings and logo, upload logo image from here. So just click on add image. So you can upload image or use from just media library. Just we can use this logo, search for logo. Okay, so we can this white logo, that's fine. And inner page logo we can use same like just logo. If you need different logo, you can use different as you wish. Then fav icons. So if you just search for fav icons, okay, this icon, or you can use other So you can change logo width, logo height, logo top margin if you want, logo bottom margin if need, and this is our global color part. If you our primary color, if you change this color, whole color will be changed from here. This will be our secondary color. Here, block settings part, post detail feature image, you can disable, enable. Post detail dates, disable, enable. Post detail author, we can disable, enable here. Everything we can here. Social profile, so we can add social profile from here. So this is this part here, social profile. So you can add Facebook, LinkedIn, then Twitter, Instagram, YouTube as your wish. And social share link we can enable, disable from here. And API settings, so if you have MailChimp API, simply just paste their MailChimp key here and MailChimp list ID, and if you have Google Map API, just paste here. So basically this is our logo settings. Then go to our header settings. So here you can change header style 1, 2, 3. So if you change to header style 3 and change here, update and refresh the page, so our header system will be changed from here. So we can use for now, second is better with our design. Okay, refresh, that's done. Now we can like phone number, so we can add like plus 880-123-456-7890. Like email address, like we have interior, and we can button text change from here. Okay, call us here, we can just button here, get in touch. Okay, if you want to search enable, disable from here, then this part will be enable or disable, and request part will be enable, disable from here. And request from shortcode we can from touch here, and request from contact info we can just phone number, email address, address info we can change from here, or you can add as more as you want. So we can just need this two part, just remove. Okay, then we have footer settings part. So footer means at the bottom part. So we have a few steps like footer 1, 2 you can change from here. Then footer column layout, we have 4 column, basically 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can change from here. Copyright text, so we can just write here 2033 interior like inc dot, or write it out. And footer background image you can change from here, just cross and add image. You can upload or just select from here. So we can choose like for now this image. Okay, then we have subscribe to our newsletter, so you can this text from here. Then description, this description will be changed from here. And as like as our color scheme for common. Subheader settings, this means our inner page. If you go inner page, this part, so you can choose here, just remove this part and add. So we can search for like any image 2-1. We can choose this image. Okay, fine. Default all post subheader, we can just select this image like 2-1, this image name. Okay, we can choose this image. Default all service subheader, we can choose 2-1, this image. Then display all projects, so we can choose here this image. You can use other image as you wish, it's no problem here. And default all teen subheader, this means every page header we can change from here as you wish. So we can same image for now, you can change as you wish. Then default search archive subheader. Okay, so we can just replace the image, so our site will look more better and nice. And finally our 404 part, so just search here. Okay, so we done all our design part. Okay, so click on update. So 3 option part done. If you click on this part logo, so our this part done, call, phone number, social icon, everything changed. At the footer part, if you check background image and this part, yes, 2023, everything okay. If you go to any inner page, you check here, our this part done. If you go to blog page, this part done. Okay. Now if you want to change this slider part, so you have to go to slider revolution part and then go to overview. So they use slider 6 revolution slider, and then cross this sign. Okay, cross, wait a few minutes, cross, and we have to maybe this is we can refresh the page again. Before after fix all add-ons for now, or click on fix. Okay, fine. So here they use slider 2, so just click on editor is loading. No thanks. Okay, so you can change slider from here, slider image, slider text one by one. So easily you can, if you click on slides, global size slide 2, so this is upload our slide 2 image. If you need slide 3, so you should load a slide 3. So for example, we can change architecture. For example, okay, if you check the text here, text 3, text 2 part, you can just adjust here everything, position, alignment, center, you can as your wish. Then content, if you just click here architecture 1, okay, then we can just click on save and go to our front page. Let's check architecture 1. So from here you can easily change from text here, just click this part, and content we can change spell, read more, or link here. So back to dashboard part. Then we have this part edit, so click on edit with Elementor part. Cross this bar, so click here. So here we can select style 1. If it's style 1, this style will change, another nice style. If it's style 2, you can change as your wish. If you want style 3, this design will be changed here. Okay, fine. If and this is our floor, this text come from this part here. Description, this part is come from here. Button text, so this is read more from here. Button URL, so you can change this link from here. Image, so you can just upload image or choose any image from here. And image title, caption, okay, and then enter info title. This is repeater part, so if you want another more, if you want another one, this will be add one by one. That's nice. And here they have a advanced option. If you want, you can change here. Then we have what we do part. So if you, this is click part, they have also few style part. So if you want style 1, so design will be changed like this one. If you style 2, this is our default design. If you change style 3, this is our another design. Okay, that's nice. So for now we use style 2 part. And what we do, we can change from text here. Then architecture, planning, studio, this type text from this repeater. Click on architecture, this will be expanded, and like architecture 1, if you change, so this will change here. Description, if you want like help us 1, okay, this text, and read button, so you can check here read button from here. And if you have a section image, so this is our section image, you can change here. Okay, fine. You can add item, so if you click on add item, so another item will be show here. That's fine. And 07 automatically show here. Okay, and then go to our third part, all projects. So this is our another style, like style 2. Then we have style 1. So this is our style 1 part. If you check style 3, so this is our style 3 part, another design. So we can choose style 2, our default design. That's fine. Then you can choose how many columns, like 4 columns. Okay, this will show here 4 columns. If we here 3 columns, this will be show here 3 columns. If you want no spaces, so just here without gutter. Okay, so all space will be removed. So we can choose with gutter. We can choose load more button, and when click on this part, this line will be shown here. That is important part, which category show. Just click on this part, so all click show here. So hit where it's come from. So go to our dashboard, and here we check a option that's called projects. So click on projects part. So here all projects from here. If you click here and add new. So here first project title, project description, then project subheader caption, then project detail page style. We can choose style 1, style 2, project name, project date. You can enter project date from here. Project location here. Project status like pending or confirm. Project client name and project description you can showcase here. Then we can have project gallery. So click on this add to gallery like 1, 2, 3. So this will be here gallery image. Project video poster image. If you add any video, so you can here choose here add image. Then then video URL. So just paste like YouTube video, Vimeo video, any other video you can showcase here. And then very important part, you can have to assign any with any category. So there are many category. You can add new category from here, and of course you have to add a featured image. So this is our project parts. We have project categories, leave image. This is our project category. So if you check our view page, okay, go to home page, and if you click on any intent project, yes, this project title, description, here image, video background image, date, client name, project type, location, project status, and this will be by default will be shared here, and description. And this part will automatically show here. If we check here like all projects, just edit any project. So just like just name, description, then project subheader caption. That's mean this part. Sorry, we can choose yes this part. And then project style, product detail style page 1, 2. You can choose like we can choose 2 part. Okay. If you choose 2 style, so what happened? So this page, our single design page, this will be changed here. Okay, fine. And then style 2, project status completed, project client name, description, project gallery, if any, project video poster image and video you can show here, and this is our exact part, and this is our project video project featured image and project category. Okay, fine. Then these are the, now if you have to add category, which item we want to show here. Then we have our expert part. So team member, here our team categories. So where it come from? So again go to our teams. So here is our all team member. So if you just click add new, so team categories also have. So the default category our team. Okay, so just team title, just mean team name, description, team subheader caption. So if you check here like open any team member like this one, this subheader. Okay, then designation like designer, developer or whatever, phone number, website address, email, Facebook URL, Twitter URL, Instagram URL, LinkedIn URL, and skills. If you check here like their size skill, architecture, construction, interior. So from here just click add row, and just here title and value like and 75%, 5%, etc. And then you have experience title. So that's mean experience title, this one like 01 to 2019, etc. Company name and field description. So here if you have title, description, year, date, month, etc. you can add unlimited from here. Then that's enough, and at the rest side there image. Okay, so here our featured image, and very important part, which category. So here you can click here, so it show here style 2 and categories, which categories come from, so our team. So post per page, so if you want to 4 column post per page, there's one 4 page, and then you can add order by descending, expert, etc. So for now we can add 3 items. Now then we have our services section as like style 2 column our expert. Okay, just leave page and just refresh the page. Okay, just click on service part and it's 4 column, so you can choose style 2 or style 1. Okay, so we can choose this part for now. Okay, that's fine. And category services and post per page 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these are 8 item. And order by date, order description, title, services, and background title, no need. Okay, so what is from services? So if you go to our dashboard and this service page, so as like previous, so here we can add new service from here. If you check about our services, why is our services, this part. Yes, service image, just more services. This is download PDF, download doc file, PPT, get 20%, etc. So how can add this? Title, description, then subheader caption. That's mean this caption. Site by status, enable, disable, site service icon, like if they use flat icon. Service icon image, video poster, video URL, like this. You can add video here, this image, video pop-up, related services, etc. And service accordion, if you check here, that means this one, service accordion. So you can add now like title, description, another one, title, description, as like as more. Here is featured image and category. So this is our basically service part. So if you click and modify anyone, so you can better understand. So here is our title, description as like as normal classic editor, service subheader, then status, enable, disable. Okay, if disable, this will be highlight, position left, right, service icon. You can choose here service icon image, then poster image, video, accordion, and exert part. Right side you have upload any image and service tag. Okay, so here, when you click here, so just categories, so you can choose from category like services, style 1 2 as your wish. Then we have a blog part. So this blog part is by default, so it's come from our this blog page part. So all part is from blog post. It is traditional blog page. So just then change post to blog post. So if you click this item, so here this part, okay, click here, new section, that's mean, and style 1 2 3 you can change style from here, like this is our attractive design. And which categories? Architecture. If you check here, all are bathroom, hotel, lawn, interior architecture. So just prefer architecture. If you want more, so we can add bathroom. Post per page, we can choose like 4 items. Just show here, that's fine. And order by ascending, character, face, description, character, everything we can change from here. And then we have a counter section. So this is our edit called the fact part. So we can choose here style 1 2 as your wish. So this is our style 1 part, like facts. We can add title here, so we can change easily from here. So like our experience, like title, value, project taken, their name and value, name, value. That's very easily. And this is our slider part. So click here testimonials. So you can easily like style 1 2 3. So if you want to choose style 1, so this is style 1. You can choose style 2. just title testimonial, we can choose image from here, background image, that means this image. Then we can choose just Rosalian de William, that's name, designation, quotation and image. So we can add as more as you wish. At the bottom you can say already added. So basically this is our home part is done now. And at the footer part we back to better. Okay, so this is part done. Just click on update. Now go to our about page. So just click on edit with Elementor. So this is our global header part and this part. So about one part. So if you just we can want just about us. So go to our pages. So we can just rename this about one to about us. Okay, and here change our Slack to about us. Okay, click on update and just refresh the page. That's great. Now this part is like our about us page. This is from our about us home page, as like as same this part, and this part is same. Maybe something wrong here. Okay, and this part is as like same as our about us page, as like it is our team section, like our home page, testimonial as like same our home page, and footer to as like is our similar part. Okay, so preview page. Then go to services page. So just click on edit with Elementor, and here we can choose services listing to our services. Okay, so services listing change to our services. Okay, just change Slack our services. Click on update, refresh the page. That's nice. And as like our service, this come from as like as our home page as same. This is as like as our about us page. This is from like our home page. Okay, this is our as like as home page. We can choose style 1. Okay, that's nice. And if you have our like client part, so edit client section, so you can choose style 1 or style 2 as you wish. We can choose style 1. Okay. Element title, we can choose our awesome clients. And here is our repeater, so you can choose like view mode, hash, and as like icon as you wish, and new item. Okay, so this is our about us page, and click on preview part. Then we have a team page. So our part is fine, and this is as like if you click on this page. Okay, our expert, that's perfectly fine, and this part is come from our team section, so you need just to adjust our image, so you can easily done this. Okay, so this part is also perfect. Then we have shop. This is our basically shop page as like a normal e-commerce part. So just go to shop page and shop. Okay, fine. So like we how can you edit this? So go to normal WooCommerce, and then products, all products. So as like traditional e-commerce part, you can easily add product, modify as normal process, everything. So we can just click here, click on add to cart. Okay, so there is any cart button. Okay, fine. So we can just click here, click. Okay, single page, just add to cart. Okay, fine. Then click on view cart. Then this is our product part. Okay, process to checkout and normal addition process. That's fine. Okay, page order. That's fine. Go to our blog page. So this is our blog list page. So from here we can choose our pages. So search for blog. So blog list, we can just write here blogs. Just click on update, refresh. This will be our blocks. That's fine. So click on edit with Elementor. So just click this part. So we can just select style 1, so change style, or style 2 as your wish. Okay, or style 3 is perfect. I think this is our list part, and here very easily post per page, name, order by, everything you can show here. Okay, and at the right side, this is our block sidebar. Basically this is a widget part, choose sidebar, which sidebar you want. Okay, fine. So this page is done. Click preview, and finally we have our FAQ page. So frequently asked question, so we can just click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so how we work, very simple part, select style, simple FAQ or toggle FAQ, we can just press accordion, and this is as like as, very simple and easily you can do it. Okay, and finally we have contact page. So if you click this part, contact page, contact us, that's fine, image done, form part. Okay, this part, phone number, email address, and even phone number, like phone number we can change like mobile number. So you can change from easily from here, like info, like address, everything change here. Google Map, just click here this part, and you can just pencil icon, and you can just change your icon here. So this is our done. So all page we can easily modify and everything from here. Okay, and anything else we have missing here, okay, no problem. Go to our appearance and check widgets part, anything add here. So blocks, this is from our block sidebar part. So block sidebar part from here, recent post categories, we can change as you wish from this part, and this will show here block sidebar. And here if we go to theme option, anything we missing or not, footer settings, footer style 1, column fine, that's fine, because this come from our global settings, Okay, now let's check every option, anything we missing or not. Okay, blog post, service, project, themes, media, pages, contact, WooCommerce, analytics, okay, marketing, Elementor, templates, appearance. We can just go to customize. If we check any option here, customize, loading, typography, so we have default typography. Okay, fine. Then we have a widget, homepage setting, additional CSS, WooCommerce homepage settings. Okay, widgets part, footer part, yes. So if you want any part, got it. So this part we can change for this here. So here just clear, like instead of about widget, logo, URL, description, you can change here recent post, useful links, contact us. If you just click here, so we can change phone number, email address, etc. from here. So full footer part will be adjustable from this our customizing to widgets to footer part. So this is our full theme overview. So hopefully we can make your dream website for interior or architecture website very easily. Hopefully you will like it, and later I will give you description full page. So I change the design everything from here. So thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please share and subscribe, and please share to others. So thank you very much. Stay well, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.